Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody is trying to reduplicate the Mitsubishi, but they're not really doing it for the car manufacturer. They're doing it for just a cool idea. But they're drawing it like this, and they're not getting perfect corners, and it needs to be flat across here. And they were watching one of my videos and using a four-sided polygon, and it's not going to be perfect because you don't know where to stop. If you go, well, that looks pretty good. And then if you Control D and duplicate that and move the center rotation in the center and rotate it 120 degrees and then Control D, you can see that that's not perfect. So my suggestion when you're drawing something like this is to draw it with lines. It takes a little longer. And I'm going to use a tool I very seldom use, but I like showing it off. And so I'm going to draw a perpendicular line. And I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to go parallel. And I'm going to draw 4 more lines at 1 inch apart. So I've got 5 lines. Now I'm going to Control G to group those, and I'm going to hit P, put them in the center of the page. Then I'm going to Control D and duplicate them 60 degrees. And then I'm not going to Control D again, but I'm going to hit the plus key and I'm going to mirror it. And if you see in the middle what we have. Now, if you will do this and group this together, your life will be a little easier. And then just take your virtual segment delete key, and really any of these, but take that, go there, and then you can use the Smart Fill tool. And we'll actually use red. And fill that in with red, and then in with red. And the good thing about this, you can now move that or delete it, and you have that perfect triangular mark. And if we bring down the indexing lines, you can see they're flat. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. It's a lot better than that, if that's the objective. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.